What's up guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to 2023. I am now filming this video again about 2 months later. We got dirt bikes. So about 2 months ago, wife and I decided to go to the bike dealership and kind of see what they had, possibly upgrade her bike to a new and maybe faster one. And we ended up converting her bike to black, as you probably saw in previous videos. I've been kind of slacking on posting things, but we bought two 125F bikes. These are our first dirt bikes, so we wanted something that'd be fun, be able to thrash around, and just rip the hell out of them, to be honest. So we picked up two of these, kind of made it part of our 5-year anniversary, and you know, have some fun new toys. I did go out yesterday to the Three Palms and to the track and just kind of rip it around. The plan was to go to the forest, we did, and unfortunately the trails were closed. So we've been getting a lot of rain here recently, so really wanted to ride. That was kind of our only option. It was something new to do, and we had a blast. I'm probably gonna keep mine for about maybe a year, maybe a little less, and I'm planning on upgrading to something bigger, a 2-stroke. Looking at my options, possibly a 150 KTM Yamaha, or as you know me, I like Hondas. So probably we'll end up with a Honda 250 RX, which is essentially the trail bike, but you know, with all the goodies on it. So this one's my wife's. I believe it's a 2019 or 2020. Yeah, 2020, 2019, don't remember. Mine's 2023. Honestly, there's nothing different with the bikes, just a different color. Air-cooled, fuel-injected bikes with electric starter on them. So it's, yeah, you know, it's pretty sick. They're fun little bikes we've never ridden before. So it's fun to learn on before we get introduced to a lot of power. And I'm excited to have new bikes on the channel, and you know, something a little different for the viewers. As the cold season, you know, there's not much riding to do on our big bikes, so it'll be fun to ride these in the winter, honestly all year round. Yeah guys, so I just wanted to get on here, give everybody a little update. Like I said, I made this video like 2 months ago with the 360 camera, and it wasn't well. Fortunately, I'm just now getting to it, so excuse my voice. I got a little cough. There's a little something going around, so but of course we still had time to go rip these around. 2023 125F. Nothing crazy. Good fun electric start, of course. These bikes being mainly trail bikes, and given they're only little 125s, they don't have a lot of power. So you'll see in the video of the track, it had just rained, so the mud was pretty thick, and you know, I had to carry some good speed or coming in first. It's a lot of funny moments where I was getting stuck and stuff, especially since I didn't know what I was doing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a quick little update. I know you've probably seen the dirt bikes in the backgrounds while we were replacing my wife's plastics and stuff on hers, but maybe wondering, hey, what are those, right? Well, here they are. They're new dirt bikes. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please comment, like, subscribe for more. Excited to be posting more videos of us riding dirt bikes and, you know, crashing, having a good time. Anyways, guys, thanks. See you.